Argillite recorders, or flutes as they're sometimes called, are probably the rarest argillite works carved by Haida artists in the 19th century. They were carved from about the middle of the century until fairly late in the century. This pipe probably from early in that period. We estimate sometime between 1845 and 1865. We base that on the fact that a lot of the elements are similar to ship pipes and figures and tableware that were carved for European consumption in the mid-19th century. Haida recorders have several typical elements. Usually there's an eagle at the top end, and then 2 or 3 reclining frogs or crouching frogs along the shaft, and several finger holes, usually 6. This pipe is quite rare in that it has an octopus instead of the usual eagle at the top. And not only that, but the octopus is actually wrestling with a human figure, you can see here. And again, the human figure looks very much like a seaman or a captain that would be typically seen in a ship pipe from the mid-19th century. And in fact, the human at this end and also at the far end take the place of the more usual frogs, making this a remarkably unusual example of the recorder form. The octopus is not only interesting but really charming. It has an almost human face. It has a funny little nose and a mouth as if it were bellowing, and of course the mouth is part of the blowing end of the musical instrument. And on the back side are beautiful feathered shapes, rosettes, sunburst patterns, tobacco leaves and scrolls. Again, these are all decorative elements that are typical of the mid-19th century period, especially ship panel pipes.